Okay, good morning again. This is a live demonstration. My name is Joy Kapoor. I'm the executive chef of Maharani restaurant. We're going to show you a few appetizers today. They're oval-shaped crunchies made with gram flour. I would want everybody to come and taste this one as I make all these little ingredients come to life. These are part of the culinary cuisine of India. I'm putting some cilantro, some onions, some potato with some curry powder, touch of gram, touch of cardamom, touch of anise, touch of garam masala. And I'm going to pass this around and see if you like it. Once you have it in all the ingredients together, it tastes very yummy. It'll make you very hungry. After some time, you'll need a complete meal because this is a real appetizer. This is not going to make your appetite go away. It'll make you even more hungry. So be careful. You're going to start gorging food all over. And it's amazing. I have eaten hundreds of them at one time, and you don't feel at all whether you ate anything or not. Nothing. It's so light. So the idea is to make a little pocket here, and you stuff all these little things with it. That's what it does. This package is pre-made. It's made with gram flour. It is made in small patties and fried. And it comes out the moment it shapes up like this, oval shape is taken out. It's very crisp. That's the secret of it. The moment you eat it, it crunches in your mouth and gives you a dazzling sensation. That's the part of very few cuisines in the world do. We cater to all the five senses, not just one. Once you have this in your mouth, you will experience all the five senses at the same time. It's an instant explosion of flavors. So I'm going to pass around. I hope you all taste a little bit of everything. And if you have any questions, please ask me. These are some of the ingredients we use: onions, ginger, garlic, sesame seed, black pepper, garbanzo flours, salt, coconut powder, and a little touch of the butter. Doesn't do anything for men, but it's supposed to be an aphrodisiac for women. So that's why they eat a lot in India. All the ladies are eating this. So it's amazing. There's a lot of theory to that. And it's very good for your hormonal balance. So tamarind, a spoon of tamarind a day is a must for ladies. It gives a balance. And you see our heart, this is our philosophy. We have painted 1 million hearts in our restaurant. So whatever we do it from the heart. The secret of any cooking, why do you like your mother's cooking? Because she cooks it from the heart. And that's the secret. I tell my chefs, cook it from the heart, it'll show. I tell my waiters, smile it from your heart, and you'll create wonders. So my whole philosophy is in the cards, in the cooking, to integrate your inner and outer self in one place. And restaurant, for me, is a worship, place of worship, where I show my talents. Thank you. Thank you for having me here. Appreciate it.